Hello, so this is a quick video on how to get the credentials for a Google ReCaptcha. So Google ReCaptcha is something we place onto websites and to contact forms if people are receiving spam. You've probably seen it on a lot of websites. It sort of appears in the bottom corner. I don't know if I can show you one on ours just for reference, but yeah, so it kind of just stops the intake of spam because spam bots and everything is getting a lot smarter nowadays. So there's new ways that we have to kind of update websites to stop them from pulling through. So I think it should appear on our contact page. Yeah, so there's this little thing here, which you probably would have seen. So yeah, anyway, all you need to do is if you type in on Google or your search engine, type in Google ReCaptcha, and click on this one here. And what you'll need to do is sign into a Google account if you've got one, which you should do. I would have thought so if you've got Google My Business set up, or if you've got Search Console set up, or you've had maps done by us or something. So yeah, you need to log into that. It will give you a login. I'll probably log into mine here. So once you've logged in, you will probably see a screen a little bit like this, or it might give you some, if you're signing up, it might ask you to put in a few more details first, but once you've done that, there'll be a sort of thing to add, create, register a new site. So what you do is give it a label, so that'll just be the name of your website. And you want something called a ReCaptcha version 3. And then if you pop in the domain of the website, so what you need to put in is just starting from www. And then obviously you can register it to you as an owner. Press accept the ReCaptcha terms of service, send, you can have alerts if you want. And once you submit that, it will, you just do that, see what comes up. It will, it will send you something like this, show you something like this even, which is 2 site keys. And all you need to do is if you copy and paste both of those, and if you email them to us or get them over to us at some point, we can pop them into the website for you and get the ReCaptcha set up and stop the spam hopefully coming through to the website. It's as simple as that really. Just send them over to us once you've done that, and yeah, we can get that sorted. Okay.